This is really, really easy to make. It's super fast. You can use any selection of vegetables that you like. Vegetable chop suey. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so vegetable chop suey. Anything goes, doesn't it? So you can put any veg in you like. What our essentials are onions, garlic and ginger. I've got 1 cup of onion there and about a tablespoon each of garlic and ginger, fresh chopped. The vegetables I'm using, as you can see, I've got some Chinese cabbage, which has got that kind of nice crispy, crunchy, white stalk part, which is fantastic. And then roughly equal parts, just over a cup maybe, I'm using eggplants, bell peppers, zucchini, and here I've got some water chestnuts. Spring onions or green onions or scallions, whatever you call them, but think about mushrooms, carrots, you know, anything at all goes. Let's get to the cooker. This is super easy. So a wok, a pan, a skillet. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sesame oil, nice nutty flavored sesame oil. The heat's on and it's quite, start again, Jim. Okay, so wok, skillet, frying pan, whatever. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sesame oil. It's got a nice nutty flavor. You could use something else if you want. There we go, garlic, ginger. We're on a high heat. One cup of onion. I'm going to add some salt and pepper now. And then we need to start adding our hardest vegetables first, whatever you have. In my case, I'm going to go in with my eggplants. And I'm going to throw them around for about 3 minutes. Keep it moving all the time. Beautiful. Right, next up, I'm going to go in with our cabbage. Like I said, I'm using this Chinese cabbage. You could use regular white cabbage if you want. But like I say, you know, you've got this beautiful crunchiness on there of the Chinese cabbage. I'm going to throw this around in the pan again for about another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring all the time. That's just wilting down there. It's reduced down in volume, as you can see. Next up, I'm going to go with my water chestnuts, my zucchini or courgette, and my bell peppers. So that's all my veg done, apart from some spring onions or green onions that we're going to get in a bit later. Okay, keep going, high heat. See you in another 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving all the time. So I like a nice crunch on all of my vegetables. If you want, you can cook this a little bit longer. Now, what I've got here, I didn't show you this earlier, but I've got a slurry of water mixed with cornstarch. We're going to get that in and see how it reacts to the heat. It will thicken, and then we can play around with it. We can water it down. Yeah, this is going to be quite thick. Cornstarch and corn flour, pretty much the same thing. I think in America you call it cornstarch. I think in the UK we call it corn flour. So I'm just going to water that down a little bit. And like I say, you can just get it to the consistency that you like. A little bit more water for me. So I had 3 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch into like a pint of water, of which I used about 3/4 of that slurry, and then topped it up a little bit with straight water to get the consistency that I'm happy with. Let's get in our green onions. Give that a mix. Off goes the heat. Check it for salt and pepper. Fantastic, really easy, simple vegetable chop suey. All right, and there you go. Super, super easy, delicious, delightful. Have that with some rice if you want. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.